Hello, welcome back to Keith Resets Life. Today's episode, we're going to talk a little bit about wisdom. Wisdom stands alone. People who recognize it will embrace it. People who don't recognize it generally will fight against it, reject it, argue with you, do anything in their power not to take advantage of common sense. Had a conversation with a young man on Facebook Messenger this morning, and he wanted to argue that his point was the most important point. And he, rather than to do his due diligence and investigate the industry he was asking about, he wanted me to provide answers for him that would help him make a decision. And what I told him was, I said, do your due diligence. Look it up. Google it. Make an honest decision based upon what the majority of the information that you can gather. He didn't want to have any part of that. So, this is why this episode here, there are three kinds of people that will waste your time, suck your energy, and you'll never be able to help them. The first kind of person is the person who doesn't even know they got a problem. They walk around, I don't got no problem, you got the problem. The second kind of person is the person who won't accept the logical solution to their problem. My tire keeps going flat. My tire keeps going flat. You got a nail in it. No, that's not the reason why. My tire keeps going flat. Well, the next kind of person and the last is the person who thinks you're their problem. My tire keeps going flat and you haven't fixed it for me. No, you need to fix your tire yourself. You need to pull the nail out. Well, those kind of people, all of them will continue to bother you and to suck your energy. You don't mess with them. You will never help them. Somebody else might, but you won't. So don't waste your time on them. So the word for the day is wisdom. Seek it out and recognize the people who have it. If I have wisdom, if this resonated with you, put a like on it, and we will see you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.